Hi, it's Kim. Today I'm gonna do some 3x3 example solves. I'm probably going to do like 5 or 10 of them, I'm not really sure. I saw white or yellow cross only, and that's what I'm going to do. And the scrambles will be in the description. Right, so the first scramble, I can make this into an X cross. I have the green one, white and green piece already solved. The blue one is just one move away, and the red one will be set up with the block after I solve the blue one. Then this one will be incorrectly flipped, but I can get it out of there when I insert the orange piece. So I'm going to solve it like this. I'm going to solve the blue piece, then turn the red one down, as you can see it's flipped. Then I insert the orange piece like this, and then just insert this one the correct way and align the cross to get an X cross right here. Then I see this pair, I solve it like this. I have this pair, I have to rotate again. And this final pair right here, like that. COLL and EPL. Second scramble. Alright, for this one I'm gonna do yellow. I see this red one is down here already, the orange is opposite of it, but on the top layer, and the blue one is in the correct place in relation to the orange one, and has a block piece connected to it. And here the edge to form an X cross is here, and here's the final one, or final yellow edge, which I can use to get this one out of here. So I'm going to solve this one like this, place the orange one down so it's opposite from the red one, then with b2 to form this block here, then insert this green piece into this slot like this, and then insert this edge here and align across like that. So I have an X cross again. Then I have this pair. Then I see this edge goes in here, is into the back, and these two. Then I have OLL and PLL. The third scramble. For this one, I'm gonna do white. I can see another X cross, and this orange piece is down here, the blue one is back here, the red one is here connected to a block, and the green one is here, and the last piece, the X cross, is right here. So I'm going to start by solving this blue one incorrect in relation to the orange one like that. Then move this one down, which forms the block and takes this edge piece out. Then insert the green one right down here, and in the same motion turn this blue red edge into its correct slot and align the cross to an X cross. Then I see this pair, and I also see this pair, but I saw this pair first, so I'm going to solve it first. I have this pair right here, and the final pair is right here. Then we have OLL and PL. The fourth scramble. Here I would do white. I see blue and green are the opposite of each other, just needed to be placed in the bottom layer. The orange is in the correct place in between them, and the red one is right here. So I'm going to start by solving these two, the blue and the green, like that. Then turn the orange one down, and then just insert the red one and align the cross. Then I solve these two, so I'm going to solve them. I see this edge and this corner right here. Rotate and go into solving them. I saw this edge right here, so I'm going to see if I see the corner while inserting, and I don't, but since I can see this white corner right here, and I know this one wasn't white, and I can see this one has orange here, so I know this corner is the correct corner for this one. I can solve that one into the back slot. And then since this one was orange and there were no white corners at the top, this one's solved. So I'm just going to solve this edge into the back. Like that. And OLL and PLL. Fifth scramble. For this one, I would do yellow. I see this one is above the opposite center, this one is above the correct center, but if I solve this one will move, the red one will move to the orange, which is opposite. And when I solve the red one, it will move the green one to the blue center, which is also opposite, and then it can just insert this one to the back. So the cross looks like this. Line the cross with a D2, and the first pair I see is these two. That's all these two. Now I saw these two. And then the final pair is right here. And I have COLL and APL. The sixth scramble. In this one, I don't really see any great solutions for the cross. I see some mediocre ones, which I'm going to do, and I think I will be able to preserve this pair. I'm not sure, but I'll try. So this one, the green one, yellow green, is at the opposite center. Orange is here, red is here, just one move away, and the blue is here. So I'm going to start by placing this orange one to the opposite center right here, then aligning it back, then placing this red one down to the opposite center. I'm going to U2, and then solve this one into this slot while aligning the centers, like that. I have this pair, which I just preserved. And I have this one. I can't see the edge, so, and I know I saw this corner, this green-orange corner, so I'm just going to look quickly for the edge, and it's right here. So I'm going to solve that one. Now I see this orange-blue corner and this green-red edge. I see the green-red corner right here, so I'm going to solve that one next. Like that. And I won't rotate, so I'm just going to solve it like this. Which also sets up the last pair for a sledgehammer insert to align the edges. Have a COLL and EPL. Seventh solve, this one's going to be the last one. In this one I see a decent white cross. I see this pair, I won't be able to preserve it. But I have the red one above the opposite one, the green one move away from the opposite one, the orange is above the correct one, and the blue one is a U2 away to be inserted into the opposite one. So I'm going to start by doing U2 from this position to align this one with the opposite. This one is with the opposite, and when I move this one down, both of these will be aligned with the opposite centers. Then just do that and align the cross. I see these two, solve them like this. Then I saw these two in the back, I solve them. I saw this pair, rotate for that one. And then the edge is back, and the corner is back here and the edge is up here. So you just solve it to the back. Have OLL and PLL. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something from this video. Let me know if you want me to do any other example solves or anything. Bye.